I'm working in a rocket ship factory. We print rockets in 3D. I'm working with science and technology. Working at a place called relativity. Space, relativity, space, relativity, space, relativity, space. The work we do, yeah, day to day, will show the world 3D's the way. Our rocket's gonna fly so high. Our rocket's gonna reach the sky. So take it, the next step for humanity. Make the future multiplanetary. Knock, knock on the door to the galaxy. Building block for the new space city on Mars. New space city on Mars. Industry on Mars. Industry on Mars. The work we do, yeah, day to day, will show the world 3D's the way. Our rocket's gonna fly so high. Our rocket's gonna reach the sky. Take it. The next step for humanity. Make the future multiplanetary. Bang, bang on the door to the galaxy.